with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with what may be my last squad box, and it's another Disney box. Okay, I'll take you guys through it. Let's get started. So opening the box, you've got Mickey and Minnie peeking over, and then like this feels heavy. There is no way I can. Ooh, okay, so let's take this out. So you've got a planner accessories here. I'm going to take them out individually and then I'll flip through them. Undated vertical extension pack. So this is all of the Disney OASIS line. And then looks like there is a budget planner. Gosh, my kids will love all this bubble wrap. Yes, it is a budget happy journal, guided happy journal. Then you've got the sticker book, got another planner here. I am excited for that notepad. Hold on, opening this up. And this is a lined vertical. Lined vertical. I love lined vertical. Oh my god, I'm going to flip through that. Look at those green discs. And then lastly, the notepad. So I'm going to go and flip through each and every single thing in this box. First thing here is the lined vertical layout planner that says plan your dreams at the front, and it's a 12-month planner that starts in January. So let's take this off here. So it is vertical with lines layout. I love the colors. So you've got the 2022-2023 year at a glance. Then you have these pages, which I always love, and there's so many different ways you could use these pages. I'm like getting ideas all the time. You could use this as a mood tracker. You could, if you have a wellness planner, you could use this to track all of your sleep. You could put your weights in here. So there's so many ways that you could use this. And there's the January currently page. Wonderful days are ahead. You've got the monthly. And then, oh, I love aligned vertical. Really love aligned vertical. Love that. And you've got Mickey in the corner. Very cute. So I wonder what the color schemes are. If there's just green, so there's the February monthly and then the February divider. And then what's the color in here? So it's all green, I think. So I think the color of the pages are going to be all green throughout. So if that is the case, then I will show you just the currently pages with monthly divider. Always take the scenic route. And just again, just to double check, yeah, it's green. April, collect moments, not things. May, June, oh cute, July, August, September. I like how the colors are still Disney without being like too bright. These are very muted. So that's September, October. I love that, the geometric. October, November, and December. Oh, I really like that. So again, vertical lined layout. Love this layout. I'm so glad they decided to go with this layout. So the next thing is the budget guided happy journal. Just take these off here. There we go. Put on the floor. So it says plan to save, and it's got white plastic discs. So take this off here, and it's got the budget layout. There we go. I like the blue on the inside. Kind of reminds me of indigo. So it says collect moments, not things. And you've got this type of layout with things I want, things I actually need. I like that they put that actually there. What event or circumstance is coming up this week where I know I'll need to spend money? What can I do to adjust and save? Where can I make cuts this week if necessary? And then there's a no spend challenge. So then you have, I think there's enough in here for a week. Yeah, so you've got today's date. And then you get your weekly spend tracker. And then for the following week. So So I think there are enough pages in here to take you through, I think, 4 months worth of a guided journal. So the pages are generally the same, I believe. Yeah, so you've got, in what area do I deserve a gold star? What is inspiring and motivating me to save? So it is pretty much the same. So I'll then go through the dividers. So cute, Minnie Mouse. Dream bigger today. Don't give up what you want most for what you want now. No, I've never really used a budget guided journal. I don't know, it's not necessarily for me, but I think if budget is something that you really want to work on and you don't know where to start, these are great for you. I apologize for the glare there of my light. But yes, it's 80 pages, or 80 sheets, budget guided happy journal. The next thing is the undated vertical extension pack. So this is not lined vertical, and I believe there's 4 months in here. Yes, it is 4 months. It's not 6 months, it's 4 months that's in here. So always take the scenic route. So you've got the plain monthly spread, and then those pages. I actually like the color that's on here. It's, for me, it's quite neutral, but it's not black. I sometimes found the black a little bit too dark, even with like very light colored stickers, whereas this I think could go with anything. And then, oh, there's quite a few pages. Then a noted page, another monthly divider. Then the geometric page, similar to what's in the planner, and then the 4th month. Oh, come on. Follow your heart. And then it also comes with, there we go, stickers to label your months and your days in the months. Oh, and then your days during, oh, I like that. So there's enough in here for 4 months. Really cute extension pack. I really like the color scheme of it, and because it's still bright, but like muted, if that makes sense. I know they're completely opposite, but muted bright. So that is the undated vertical extension pack. And then we have planner accessories. For anybody who loves the sound effects, they're all in there for you. So, planner accessories, you've got the, oh, I love the sticky notes. I always like keeping the sticky notes. And you've got a bookmark. Let's pull that off here. You've got a sheet of stickers, the pocket folder, as well as some notes pages. So on the front it's lined, and then on the back it's kind of blank, but you've got, looks like you can almost have 2 different sections there. So those are, that is the planner accessories pack. Very, I want to say simple, but I mean, I feel like the planner accessories pack is always a great present for somebody who is just new to planning, just starting out. So I love the bookmark. I'm a big fan of post-it notes or sticky notes. I will hoard all the sticky notes and then eventually use them. Okay, then lastly, the sticker book. So this has 611 stickers. Let's open this up. Oh, I hate doing that, but oh, love the colors already. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorites. Really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh. Who knows which sticker book I'm using next week? Really like that. Going shopping, movie night. Oh, those are cute. Clean the house, laundry. I wish, and I'm already saying this, I wish these stickers were smaller. I like small stickers because I work from a mini. Ooh, so day off, meeting, appointment. Then you've got date night, errands, and to do. This one says celebrate, birthday, and party. I know that's so hard to see under the lights. And then Mickey in the back. I really like this color scheme. I feel like it could go really well with, not Good Habits, there's another sticker book that I think it could go really well with. But I could also see adding florals to this. Of course, I add florals to everything. Beautiful. Oh, really cute. Really, really cute. Oh, I love the quotes in the back. But again, for me, I wish they were smaller. I like small things that fit in my mini. All right, so that is the sticker book. Last thing I almost forgot about was this notepad, and I love how many pages there are, and it's a week. So you've got your week here. You can decorate it like basically any other spread, but I like that this is just, I say compact, but I mean you can have it on your desk. We can have it upstairs in the kitchen. Can't believe I almost forgot to film this. But yeah, I love this notepad, and I love the color scheme of everything. So there is the latest in the Disney Oasis collection. Really, really like the fact that the color scheme is just so different. So these are going to be released on the Happy Planner website on June 24th. I will leave all the details in the description below, as well as an affiliate link for you guys to purchase. I would greatly appreciate that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.